A function in JavaScript is a block of code that performs a specific task. It can be called from anywhere in your code, and you can pass arguments to it and return a value from if you need it. Best way to use and understand function is split our code into usable pieces and call those functions everywhere we need them in our code. In next chapter I will teach you what we need to use function and where we need pass parameters. There is an example simple function in JavaScript. We use function keyboard to create functions. It's necessary to write unique name like the example add number. Stay with me in next chapter we practice functions together. If you didn't still see conditions and variables, don't miss tutorial, go to the channel and start from introduction. And don't forget subscribe to our new video. I am creating a simple function and I pass parameters like number 1 and number 2 in the function and use them for have a return method. If we pass numeric variables, our function return will calculate our value and return new value according to the operator we use. And if we pass string parameters, the return method would be combine two strings. Let's practice them together. We can use the value of parameter in function and use everywhere we need in our function. In next chapter, I'll write a simple calculator for understand better of parameters.